How we in the building, boy? Yeah. What up, y'all, man? CKid here. Got my boy CJKnowsTECH. Y'all already know who he is, man. One of the dopest creators out there, man, in the YouTube tech space. If you don't know who he is, man, I'll have a link down in the description. We'll both have links on both our pages, man. So we've both been in the St. Louis area for what, a while now, man.
Yes, sir.
And
since we known each other.
Yeah, since we known each other. And we haven't really had the opportunity yet, man, to do a video, and we got the opportunity today to link up with SoldierKnowsBest. So shout out to SoldierKnowsBest, man. Real cool dude, man. I'll have we'll have his stuff down in the description as well, man, for you guys to check out. But we got a chance to check out the Galaxy Fold, man, and we was folding that bad boy up. We had it, you know, clasping and all that type of stuff like that. Super dope. And we just gonna give our experience on like our first 5 or 10 minutes with it before we actually get ours. That's gonna be coming in the mail here pretty soon. But CJ, man, what you think about it, man?
All right, first thing first. Like, look, I ain't wearing shades to be no Hollywood player or nothing. Look, these prescription, they just turn the shades when the sun is out. That's all it is. Cause you know, CKid, you can see his eyes, you can't see mine. Hey. I was hyped, man. I was excited when I looked at it. I was happy to see that both sides of the Fold, it's like a thin smartphone. So that, you know, we in the age of things are getting so thin. Like I can pull out the S10 Plus. It's in my pocket. It's super slim. So just to see that, although you know you're gonna get the bulk with the Fold, it's not that bad. Another great thing about the Fold was the one-hand use on the front display. It was very easy because it's so slim, so you can move your thumb. You get that action with the thumb, so I can just hit quick. You know, whatever I'm trying to do on that small display, fast and easy. It's like right there, boom, done. And then obviously you open that bad boy up and you unfold the beautiful display that I've waited so long to have. So yeah, I'm super hyped about it.
Yeah, man, I gotta agree, man. I pretty much everything he already said, but I mean, the Fold, one thing that I liked about it for sure is being able to see that display in direct sunlight. I think that was one of those things where I was pretty shocked to see, because again, it's a Gen 1 product. We don't really know how the screen is gonna perform in sunlight, but actually having it in my hands, definitely being able to see it on within direct sunlight was pretty dope. The other thing that's dope that I like about it is the real estate that you get on that display. Like, taking photos with that phone is gonna be a game changer because of the amount of space that you get. And I can only imagine when I'm using something like a Mavic Pro, if I got a drone or whatever, and being able to use that bad boy as a monitor, that's gonna be a game changer, man, because of just the amount of real estate screen that you guys get to actually use. So, but that was pretty dope. The other one was dope was the color option. Like, I think the one that I have coming in, I think the one you got coming in is the black one. So, but to be able to see that different color option is pretty dope too. I think he had kind of like that ocean blue-ish color. It's almost the same color as like the Note 9 that came out, that same kind of ocean color wave. But yeah, man, overall, I'm excited for the phone. I know there's a lot of criticism and talk out there, man, about
technology snobs.
A lot of them out there. Yeah, man, we just wanted to give a quick take on the Galaxy Fold real quick, and we'll see y'all out there.
Now, before we get off here, technology snobs, relax. Like, for real, I just want to say, from actually having it in my hand, I can't wait to actually use it and so forth. A lot of you guys who jumped to a conclusion and then you chose to miss this boat, I think you're going to regret it, and I'm going to leave it at that.
Yep. He said it, so I ain't got nothing else to say.